Hi, in this video, let me show you how to force quit, force close an app on your MacBook Neo in case it's frozen or maybe you cannot close it any other ways. So let me just back off the camera slightly over here. All we have to do is to press these three buttons: Option, Command, and Escape. Press Option, then Command, and then Escape. This window will open. And now we have to select which app we want to force quit. So in my case, let's say I want this music app to go. I'll simply highlight it in blue and click force quit. Confirm by clicking force quit. And as they said there, everything will be loose in case you didn't save it. Okay, it disappeared. I can close this window and the app went away. Now, one thing that is important to know is that if you do this and nothing is happening, you tried Option, Command, Escape, and your screen is completely frozen, not only the app, the whole computer, you can do a force restart simply by keeping pressed the top right corner button. This is the base MacBook Neo, so it doesn't have a fingerprint reader, but if your has one, it's the same thing, okay? Keep press this button 15 seconds, release the button, and the computer will restart. If the screen stays black and it doesn't restart, go ahead, keep press this button during another 5 seconds until you see the Apple logo, and then everything will be good. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Like, subscribe, comment, okay, if it worked, and I'll see you in the next one.